Hello student, I will teach you the problem of quadratic question of distance time. In this question, a train traveled 360 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 km per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey, and we have to find the speed of the train. Let us assume the speed of a train x as x km per hour. Now, as we know, distance equals to time into speed. Remember, in these type of question, always take on the basis of time, which will be distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Now, in this question, the usual speed of the train is, the train travels the distance is 360 meters. So is time taken in usual speed will be distance upon speed. This is the time taken by train in usual speed. If we increase the speed, so then time taken in increased speed. This is time taken in usual speed, that is 360 by x, distance upon speed of the train. This is time taken in increased speed, that is distance upon speed plus 5 km/h speed if increased. 360 by x plus 5. So now, according to the question, it's given, this is the increased speed, time taken in case of increased speed, this is time taken in usual speed. They have said time taken in case of increased speed will take 1 hour less than time taken in usual speed. Remember, this is the main point you have to understand how to make the equation. See, first you have to write time taken in case of usual speed, and on the RHS you will take time taken in case of increased speed. So what speed will take lesser time? The increased speed will take lesser time of 1 hour from the usual speed. So this part have to be noted. This is the main important part. Now simply what we will do, we will take RHS to this LHS and shift -1 to there, that will become 1. Now we will solve this equation. Now if we take LCM, x into x plus 5, so this will be this into this minus this into this equals to 1. Now we will multiply this. (360) into x plus 5 minus 360x upon x into x plus 5 equals to 1. Next step is 360 into x is 360x, 360 into 5 is 1800 minus 360x upon this. Now you see we can cut this plus 360x with minus 360x. Now after cross multiplication, this will be x into x plus 5 into 1 is same, 1800 is by 1, so this is cross multiplication. So this will be x square plus 5x, we will shift 1800 to LHS. Now in this term, this is the quadratic question, which is x square plus 5x minus 1800 equals to 0. You see, we can solve this by factorization method or quadratic formula, but if you find it difficult to solve this equation with factorization method, then we will apply quadratic formula. In my previous video of solving the word problem, I solved using factorization. Now in this question, I will solve this by using quadratic formula. So what is quadratic formula? First, coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b, and coefficient of and constant term is c. So a is 1, b is 5, c is minus 1800. What is quadratic formula? X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2. Now we will simply substitute this value into the quadratic formula. X equals to minus b. A is 1, b is 5, and c is minus 1800. Okay, A is 1, b is 5, c is minus 1800. Minus b, minus 5 plus minus b square, that is 25 minus 4 into a into c. So this will be minus 4 into minus 1800 plus 7200. So this will be minus 5 plus minus root 7225 by 2. Now what's the value of 7225? We will solve this using square root method. These are 4 terms. 8 8s are 64. We will always take pair, consider pair. 8 25, 8 plus 8 16, 5 5s are. So 85 is the square root of 7225 using this method. Now x will be minus 5 plus 85 by 2 and minus 5 minus 85 by 2. X will be 80 by 2 and minus 90 by 2. X will be equals to 40 and minus 45. Now you see, we have taken x as speed of the train, and since speed of the train cannot be negative, so we will reject x equals to minus 40. We will write, since speed of train cannot be negative, therefore x equals to minus 45, rejecting. Hence, therefore, speed of train will be equals to 40 km/h. Hence, we have to find speed of the train equals to 40 km/h in this question.